Hey you guys, this is Tanya and I'm coming to you again with another video. This video is a very informative video. I wanted to let you guys know that the big three nationwide credit bureaus are offering free credit reports once a week. Usually you can get free credit reports from the credit bureaus for free once a year, but due to COVID-19, the credit bureaus are offering weekly free credit reports. Yes, weekly free credit reports. So every week you can check your credit reports and see if there's any changes. And you can do this for free. They're offering this program until 2021. So for the next 10 months, you can take advantage of pulling your credit reports once a week for free. So to do that, I'll show you guys. It was basically just going to annualcreditreport.com. Annual Credit Report are the ones that are overseeing this program. So once you get to this site, annualcreditreport.com, you'll see they have the message here. During these times of COVID-19, accessing your credit is important. That's why Equifax, Experian, and Transunion are now offering free weekly online reports through April 2021. So in order to take advantage of this, once you're on this site, just click on the request your credit reports for free. And it's the exact same process of requesting your reports once a year. This site will take you to each credit bureau site so that you can enter your information and access your reports. Of course, I wanted to let you guys know anytime there's anything that can help you with your finances or your credit, I am going to let you guys know. And I want to thank you guys so much for hanging in here with me with my long bouts of not uploading any videos, and I thank you guys for that, and I appreciate all the love, the comments, the likes, and the shares. I see them and I thank you. So I will see you guys in the next video.